Hey everyone, this is your Host Zumbie Allure with the useless unicorn queen, and I just want to ask first before I get this video started, how are all my wonderful benevolent acolytes doing out there in the world? Yes. How you guys doing? Today? So today's video is going to be an unboxing video of this keyboard. Yes, I am going to be doing unboxing on this channel. So with that being said, I have a shit ton of stuff to open. And we're going to start with the TW1867 Retro Mechanical Quick Swipe Bluetooth Keyboard. I got this from Amazon. It is the color wood, and the switch is blue switch. Now, I don't know really much about unboxing stuff like this. I did a couple videos of unboxing and reviewing and stuff, and so I really want to get into showing people what equipment I use for my streams and equipment that I use for basically in anything and everything. I feel like there's a lot of things that people don't know about me, and the one thing that people don't know is that I really enjoy sharing the things that make me happy, and which would be stuff like this, getting new things and like figuring it out, seeing how it works, and seeing if it's even worth buying and keeping. So we're gonna start with this one. So we're just gonna get right into it. And like I said, I'm not a professional unboxing reviewer person. This is something that I've really been wanting to do for a long time, and I actually haven't been very consistent with my stuff. So we're gonna start today, and the company is I don't even know how to even say that, but yeah, we're just gonna open it and see what's inside. So first things first, guys, I really feel like I'm like opening boxes from like subscription based type stuff, but this is not what that is. This is essentially doing reviews of products that I am going to be getting. Enjoy typing, go for it. So you get a little tote bag, which is cool. I don't know if that's something that is for the actual keyboard. And then we got a C port, or is it a C? It's a C charger, I believe that's what it's called. Educate me, people. And then we got some little knickknacks. And again, this is my first time doing this, and you get like a little card of description of dear customer. You get the actual like pamphlet, and then you get you get a thank you card. Say what? Oh, that's so nice. I'm assuming this is if it's for a gift. Okay. This is really nice though that they have that. Okay, and then here for the keyboard. Ooh. It's kind of like AMSR too. Oh shit, son. Ooh. This is like the littlest keyboard. I bought a lot of keyboards, different style, and I bought a lot of headphones for personal use and for streaming. And I am going to be mounting it on my wall on my right side. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's nice. So if I wanted to do MSAR, which I'm going to be getting in that too, I'm a jack of all trades, guys. So let's just call it what it is. I'm a jack of all trades. I love anything and everything about learning and whatnot, but this is something new because I've never gotten a keyboard where you could remove the little mechanisms. Like, I don't know what these are called. I don't know what those are called, but we're gonna find out right now. Or maybe not, but if you guys know what that is, you guys are super dope. If you guys comment down below. But yeah, I got this, bro, because I used to actually type back a long time ago. My mom used to have one, and so It has like the little mechanisms. And I think this is for like, if you need to like, honestly, I don't know. So let's figure this out together, guys. So this is the manual. Emmanuel. And left metal ring. What is that for? Push the metal ring to adjust the brightness of the light. Oh, that's cool. Push rod down. Pull rod of the planning process can switch the backlight mode by pulling the switch. That's cool, guys. So then how do we get this thing on? Okay. And honestly, I'm just gonna link everything down below because I don't have anything in regards of what this was costing me. So we're just gonna go right into it and insert it. Like, I don't know what any of this stuff means down here, but again, this is new to me and I don't want to like really spend the whole video trying to get that going. I mean, it's pretty explanatory, I suppose, and it did say that it was Bluetooth, but I really don't want to deal with Bluetooth right now. What I want to do is that I just want to insert this to see if it works. So I'm going to put this on pause. Okay. So as you can see, it is on, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to turn my light off. Whoa. That is pretty cool. And we're going to type and we're going to see how it works. Okay, so let's see. Oh. Maybe suggestion YouTube channels that go over this product as well. For me, I'm getting into it, so I am gonna learn a lot of like how to go about it and like what is the right and wrong way to do so. But for the most part, I like it. This keyboard, with just going through it alone, it even has like commands too. I think they already have that on your normal keyboard, but the fact that it's Bluetooth, the fact that it's something that I could use anywhere I go. I could use it with a tablet, with my phone, whatever. And I would give this keyboard right here, drum roll please, I would give this a literally 10 out of 10. I love the feel of it. I love the way that you could remove these. Again, I don't know how to do all of that stuff because I have not mingled in that. But what I can say is that I love it and I am so excited to put it on my wall. Again, this is the keyboard. It did come with this and a lot of other little gadgets like this. I don't know what this is, but yeah, I gotta put it on my wall, and I did want to, as a little extra piece, want to review the keyboard that I have been using, and I'll be getting that box right now. I've been using from Body, I think that's how you say it. This does come with a keyboard and a mouse. This one did not come with the mouse, and honestly, for the price, I think that having your own mouse would probably be cool. But again, this one I've been using, and I gotta say, for the price, it was good. And I mean, with the unboxing too, I got all my stuff from Amazon. So I'll be putting all that on my storefront too. But like, this is the keyboard and this is the mouse. And I absolutely love it. I don't think anyone really goes for like chocolate color. And honestly, when I see this, I think of just fucking eating chocolate or cacao. But yeah, this is what it comes with. The life of the battery is pretty cool. Has all the gadgets, and the keys are very quiet, you know. So I like that. For this one, I would give it a 8 out of a 10, just because like it doesn't have this front piece where you get extended out, which normally I like to work like this. This one doesn't have it either, but I feel like I could kind of get away with it just because like the keys are really, they're separated, you know, like out of these two. Like, come on, this one would be like 10 out of a 10. I'd give it this one an 8 out of a 10. So yeah, I have these, and I will be putting this one on my wall. And I have a way that I've been doing this where I have mounted hooks to hold my keyboard. So I'm gonna see if it works. And then if it does, I'll show you guys what it looks like with both of them, because I am planning on making this whole wall where my keyboards are set in. And I have a secondary area for all my headphones, which are all right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep any of them. I think I'm gonna try to see if what ones I like and what ones I don't like. I'm just gonna return. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my wall. And I gotta say, I love it a lot. And then I have more sectors here, and then I am going to be putting my headsets right there. But for the most part, guys, it looks pretty good. I can't wait to put all of the other ones on there. So yeah, those are the two that I have right now, and I will be getting other ones set up to where it's on my wall. So yeah, guys, that is it for the video, and I hope you guys like and enjoy, and please subscribe. I am, in fact, getting back on YouTube, and I really would hope that you guys could show the love and start tuning in. I am going to be posting on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I am going to be doing a separate video of updating on basically where I've been and stuff like that. But for the most part, I wanted to get this going, because if I didn't, I wouldn't, and it would just be bullshit at that point. But I love you guys, and thank you guys for the love and support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.